Good morning, friends. Once again, welcome to our class. We will discuss some basic principles so that you can easily solve the question papers. Okay. Okay. Now, in various exams, there are some questions regarding fractions, recursive numbers. Okay. Recursive decimal numbers, whatever. So first of all, what is fractions? Fractions means maybe in one, if we say 1, 2, 4, all these are whole numbers. Okay. Now, if 1 by 2, 2 by 3, or 5 by 9, these are fractions. This means if you have a chocolate, yeah, you are breaking the chocolate in two parts, uh, two same length, okay, two equal parts. Then it's if you take one part, that is means you are divided in it is in two parts and taking one part. That is, among these two parts you are taking one part. This is 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2. Okay. This is called fractions. All these are whole numbers. And decimal numbers 2.4, 0.4, 0.3. This 0 just only for denoting the point. This is called decimal numbers. Decimal point. Okay. And after decimal point, it's the tenth. Acha. Before decimal, in the left hand side of decimal, we count the like a unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. In our mother tongue, ekok, dashok, shatok, hajar. Okay. After decimal point, we count in this way: tenth, then hundredth point. Okay, in this way. Okay. Before decimal, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. In this way, we count. Okay. Now, you all know this, but just for revision purpose, I'm just discussing the topic. Okay. Say a chocolate you are baking in 5 parts. There is a Cadbury Dairy Milk, you are baking in 5 parts and distributing in, if you are giving Harry one part, and then to John 2 part, that is 2 by 5. Okay. Then another part to Neil 2 by 5. Okay. The chocolate you divide it into equal 5 parts and giving 1 part to somebody, 2 part in somebody, and 2 part to another body. Okay. This means all are giving the fractions. Okay. If you sum this, all the parts, the result would be 1. If you add all the fractional parts of a thing, then you will get 1. If you add all the parts, 1 means the whole parts, undivided parts. Okay, it's a undivided parts is symbolized as 1, and this is the relations. This type of concept would help you to find out shortcut methods. Okay, that's clear. If you break something in equal parts and add all the fractional parts, the sum would be 1. Okay. Now, numerator, denominator. Okay. This upper portion of fraction is called numerator and lower portion denominator. Okay. Numerator, denominator. Okay. Now, proper fraction where numerator is greater than denominator. One is, sorry, in proper fractions is called when numerator is less than denominator. Okay. This upper portion is less than lower portion. This is called proper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction, just reverse. 3 by 2. It is called improper fraction. Okay. Mixed fraction. This is called mixed fraction. Here, a whole number and fractional part. Okay. Now, this mixed fraction can be converted to improper fraction. What about the fractional part? Okay. How to convert? This means, this is a mixed fraction. This equals to 2 plus this whole number plus fractional part equal to this. It can be converted as 2 into 2 plus 1. This into this plus 1 by denominator. Okay, it means 5 by 2. Okay, whenever you converting a mixed fraction, you will get improper fraction. That is, denominator is lower than the numerator. Okay, it's also another concept. Okay. Now, 1 by 2. It can be converted as 0.5. Okay. Similar way, 3 by 2 equals to 1.5. We divided. That is a very beginner's concept. 2 1 is 2, 1 here. This one is less than this one. Okay. So 0.0 and it's called 5 2 is 10. It is called 1.5. Okay. Now, just reverse order. If a number is given 1.5, you have to convert it in fractional number. It's a decimal number. You have to decimal point number, fractional. In fractional number, how to convert it? Just keep as it is, left side of point, decimal point, just as it is, and after 5 for this decimal 10. Okay, that is 15 by 10. You can now you can simplify more. It becomes 3 by 2. Okay, this is the conversion process. Again, 0.329. Here is no number left hand side of the decimal point, so no need. For this point 1, and after this, how many numbers? 3 numbers. Okay. After this 3 numbers, then 3 zeros. This is if you can simplify, then this is not simplifiable. Okay, clear the concept? Write down the number without decimal point. Okay, left hand side of the decimal point, this point, left hand side, nothing. So just start from this point. For this point you have to down 1, and then after this decimal point, how many numbers? 3 numbers, then 3 zeros. Okay, say 0.5. This means without decimal 5. This is a point. Without this point 5, then for this point 1, and after this point, how many digit? 1 digit, so 10, and it can be simplified by 1 by 2. This is the relations. In this way you can convert decimal to fraction, fraction to decimal, whatever. Okay, now another thing, one by 3. Now what? When we try to convert it to decimal points, then what becomes? 0.3333333. It's never-ending process. Okay, it's